Have you ever thought that your lifestyle could be responsible for your unhappiness? I'll share with you two ways in which this can happen. One, you attach your happiness to material things. For example, you found this new car, latest edition, you want it for yourself. You keep working towards it and you finally get it. You were so excited, you're happy. After some time, you notice the level of the happiness comes down and you are out looking for something else to get again to make you happy. Before you know, the circle continues, and you find yourself always getting things to make you happy. Remember, human needs are insatiable, so nothing, no material thing, can make you happy. Two, you attach your happiness to people, your parents, your siblings, your spouse, your friend, your mentor. Nobody is responsible for your own happiness. Everybody has their own shortcomings, they have their faults. When they finally let you down, you find yourself getting sad. You can even get depressed. You need to make a conscious effort to be happy. No matter who is in your life, who is not in your life, no matter what you have, and no matter what you